When you're learning how to program, should you use a particular program like Eclipse, NetBeans, or can you use any IDE? Another example being IntelliJ IDEA. Let's talk about that in today's video. Welcome back. My name is Tim Buchalka with another programming tip of the day, and the question was whether you need to use a particular program when learning how to program. Now what I'm going to do is use the analogy of my Java masterclass, and that's a class that I've got on Udemy that teaches people how to program in Java. Now in that particular programming course, I use a product called IntelliJ IDEA by JetBrains. Now the reason I chose that one when I actually created the course is that firstly there's a free edition, no cost, but secondly it makes you as a programmer extremely productive. It's got lots of shortcuts and ways to do things in a fraction of time compared to other program IDEs, integrated development environments like Eclipse and NetBeans, as two other examples. But that doesn't mean you have to use that particular IDE when you're following along. And the same applies generally to most courses. So if you've got a passion, you want to use Eclipse or NetBeans or some other IDE, in the case of my Java masterclass, absolutely you can do that. But obviously keep in mind that there'll be a few things that will look different because it's a program created by another company. The interface, what you see on the screen, is going to look different to what you see in the videos. But the actual code can be typed in. The Java code works on any IDE in general. So if you want to use NetBeans, you want to use Eclipse, you can do that. But if you want to stick to IntelliJ IDEA in this example, you can do that. And look, it is very normal when you get out there and you start working that you'll find particular companies standardize on particular products. So it's not going to be a wasted skill. So if you learn IntelliJ IDEA, for example, in a particular programming course and you get your first job and they're using Eclipse, then you don't have to throw away everything you learnt. The Java skills you've learnt will still apply. You'll just need to understand and learn the interface, which will be different in Eclipse. But look, you'll pick that up very quickly. So I would say that in general, use the IDE that the company or the person who's created the video course has used in the video course. Try it out and see whether you like it. But if you want to go back to something you're more familiar with or something that you think you should be using, you can do that as well, and it's not going to cause you any harm. You're still going to be able to complete the course, and it's still going to look good on your resume. Alrighty, so I hope that helped. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you. If you're ready to look at the next tip, click on up here and you can check that out. If you're interested in coding specific programming videos, click on the link in the bottom left hand corner. Consider subscribing by clicking on the link up here, and I'll see you soon.